Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So if your Fortnite is crashing on your PC when you launch it, load into a match, or play the game, this guide offers several solutions that have helped many players fix the issue. So first, you need to restart your computer and close any unnecessary program running in the background. After that, open your Epic Games launcher, go to your library, and then select the three dot next to Fortnite and select Manage, and then click on Verify to repair any corrupted files. After that, you can update your graphics driver. You can do this by using the NVIDIA app, AMD software, or Intel driver and support assistance, depending on your graphics card. And then open the Windows settings on your computer, select Update and Security, go to Windows Update, and select Check for Updates. If there are any updates available, go ahead and install it on your device. Then after, restart your PC, and if the problem still persists, you need to open the Run command on your device. Select the Windows key and R on your keyboard, open the Run application, and here's enter %local app data % and hit enter on your keyboard. Now open the Fortnite game folder and clear any cache files if they are present. Next, disable any overlays such as Discord overlay, Xbox Game Bar, MSI Afterburner, or any other FPS monitoring software, as this can sometimes cause Fortnite to crash. And also try running the Epic Games launcher as an administrator. You need to right-click on the shortcut and click on Run as Administrator option. Finally, if none of these methods work, reinstall Fortnite or contact the Epic Games support for further assistance. So if this guide helped you, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.